Hello and welcome to a crafty haul today. So World of Wool is a fantastic factory stroke, well, it's a business who make wool and felt and various other things that go along with it. Things for wet felting, things for spinning, things for knitting, all sorts of things. Anyway, they have just reopened their factory shop and it looks absolutely stunning. And I know there's been a couple of videos on YouTube showing a tour around it. I visited a couple of days ago and I only took one photo, two photos, which I'll put here. And it was the felts section because I was sharing it with my sister. Anyway, the shop is stunning, absolutely beautiful. And so I bought myself some felting things whilst I was there. It's not something I usually share on my channel, but I just thought I would do a big shout out for World of Wool because it's an amazing shop, amazing company, and the staff are always so friendly and helpful. Well worth the visit. So I have got my little receipt here. Because I spent over £50, I got 5% off, I think it was. Yes. If you spend over £100, it's 10% off at the moment. So I'll tell you what I've got. Some of it, I'll be honest with you, is chosen purely on colours. Because some of them are just my favourite colours, but some of them I do have plans for. So this is 21 micron merino ash pre-felt, and it's 1/4 metre. And I got this yellow colour. I'm sorry, I didn't make a note of the colours. And this beautiful green colour. And you can see what it's like on the other side. So it's nice and smooth on one side and a bit knobbly bobbly on the other. This is the colour of my sofas. That's not why I chose it, it's just one of my favourite colours. So I got 2 of those, and they're £2.50 each, which is very reasonable. Then I got, so it's got a little, oh, see, this is what's so cute, you find little balls of other things. Again, I haven't made a note of the colours. I'll have a look on the website and put the names down below. I should say that's the other thing, actually. There are things that they've got in the shop that they don't have on the website yet. So that's why it's worth visiting. And I never visited it when it was in its previous location. So I think this is, oh goodness me, there's 2 that it might have been. One is Shetland Kiln and one is Tannenbaum. Anyway, aren't these 2 colours just beautiful? Reminds me of like rhubarb and custard. And it just feels so luscious as well. So those 2, and then these are 2 variegated ones. This is the one that really reminds me of rhubarb and custard. Oh, it's so soft. Just beautiful. Did I say how much it was? So these were £2.10 each, and there's 50 grams here, which is very reasonable. And then this one is from the Northern Lights range, I think. I think this is from the Staff Choice mix, and this is from the Northern Lights. And I just love these colours. So many, look, beautiful. So those were all the individual items. And then I got 3 of the World of Wool Locky Wensleydale wool locks. And these are ideal for doll's hair and fibre crafting. And this packaging, in case you're worried, is 100% recyclable. Honestly, I think they've thought of everything there. They've got a little coffee machine. They've got a settee where you can sit down and just relax or have a look through. I think they've got some books there and things, but just sit and chat with friends and what have you. So what colour was this one? Oh, I don't think I've got the colours. Okay. On my receipt, it just says Wensleydale Wool Locks Ginger Nut. Oh, I don't think this is ginger nut, but look at that beautiful colour. So this would be lovely for creating texture. So there was that one, and then there's this red. I don't want to take them out of the packet because they'll go everywhere. They'll kind of explode. Look at that. Oh, and you get a little bit of extra foliage for free. Yeah, and you can smell it's quite an oily smell actually. Not like a lanolin smell, like an industrial oil smell. And then this colour. This is quite, I think what might have happened, it might have put them all through as ginger nut. There we go, there's that one. Yeah, this one doesn't smell as oily as the other one. And I don't know how much is in here. Oh, 25 grams. But that'll go a long way. So there's those. And they were £2.25 each. So I'll put those over there. This one is soap. Beautiful Drover's Rose soap with rose geranium and patchouli. And I think it might just be going in my drawer to make everything smell nice. But, oh, it's got a shelf life of 6 months. Okay, maybe it won't just stay in my drawer. It tells you all the ingredients and what the allergens are. That's really good to know. And this is batch number 38. And lovely paper as well. Naturally woodland. Oh, I knew they had the website somewhere. There you go. There it is. So the soap was £5.40. And then just as you go in the door, well, there's the big bath. They've got a bath now, which has got all, like, you can fill a bag for, I forget how much that was. I had a quick look, but I didn't dive deep into it because on the right-hand side, when you go in, they've got these collection bags. So in total, there's 250 grams of wool here. This one is called the Summer Holiday Collection. And these are the colours. So this is merino wool. Just, oh, I might have to zoom out a bit. Do I have to zoom out? Let me check. So I'm hoping, yeah, I don't think it's reflecting too badly, is it? Just stand up to see. Anyway, just what a beautiful palette this is. So this is going to be for a wet felted picture, I think. Very seasidey and just beautiful. Some of my favourite colours in here. So that was £12 for 250 grams, 10 balls. So that makes each of these little bits £1.20 for 25 grams. So there's that one. Then there was the Victoriana collection. And these are the colours here on this collection. I think I might have avoided getting any repeats. I think I have actually. Let's just look at both of them together. So yeah, there's no repeats there that I can see. And I didn't see any repeats on the name. But again, this is just, look at this, just beautiful. And that's very similar to this one, but this is darker. So that was the Victoriana collection, and again, £12. And then this one I think is a new thing that they've got. This is Tutti Frutti, and this is a mixed bag. And the colours are bubblegum, bilberry pie, Parma violet, sour cherry, lemon lime, fruit salad, peach melba, and forest fruits. And this was £9.60 for 8, so just over £1 for each bit. Excuse the noise. But just look at the colours in that. I'm not really sure which one is which, but I'm guessing that's Parma violet. Just stunning. Bilberry pie, maybe? Oh, this must be sour cherry, I think. Reds and oranges. I'll put the links in the description box below, but look at that. It just reminds me a lot of tweed skirts. And this is probably lemon lime. Again, with the colours. And now, oh, look at this. I'd love a jacket this colour. If anybody can find me a fabric, this is colour. Just look at it, it's just so gorgeous. So soft. And then this, probably peach something or other. Beautiful. And then this one, forest fruits, I would guess. Just stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, all together, here's my receipt, £61. However, when you think about how much wool I've got here, so worth it. And like I say, if you're in the area, please do go and visit, because the shop is lovely. Staff are lovely, really helpful. We'll give you advice about what wools you're buying, where it's suitable for, what it's not suitable for. I can't fit everything in. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and thank you very much to World of Wool for reopening your shop. Although my wallet maybe doesn't feel the same way. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye now.